Hello, Internet, and welcome back to Math with Marcus. This question is from Course 1, 6th grade book, and it's question 27, stem and leaf plot. This asks you to copy and complete the stem and leaf plot at the right for the following set of data, 64, 87, 52, yada, 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 yada. All right, so I want you to take all those numbers and plot them on this thing called a stem and leaf plot. So we hadn't talked about this yet, but if you look here down below, or for you, it would be up above your homework. There's these things, right? These things called math notes. And if you look, here is one about stem and leaf plots. So histograms we've worked with, right? That it's got the bins, so from 0 to 15 minutes, 15 to 30, 30 to 45, 45, right? So that's a histogram. Another way of displaying data is with a stem and leaf plot. So here it gives you examples of students in math class receiving scores on their tests. So these are the kids' scores. See how they're in numeric order. That's an important thing for a stem and leaf plot. You want to get them in numeric order. And then what they do is instead of writing this list out, it kind of takes a while. If you build this chart here, you have the tens here, so this would be 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80%. See, nobody got a 90% and nobody got 30s. And then you just have to list the ones, right? This would be 49. This right here, this student is 52. This one is a 4, which represents 54, and the 8 represents 58, this student right here. So, and then here's all the 60s, right? There's a 61, 61, 67, 68. That's what this is, 61, 61, 67, 68. And here are the 70s, 72, 73, 73, 73, 78. And then here's the 80s, the 82 and the 83. So it says right here that 8-2, right? That 8-2 represents 82%, 82%. So going back up here, if that now makes sense, please pause the video and try this for yourself. If not, here we go. So first things first, let's put it in order from least to greatest. So I look and I say, okay, 12 is the lowest. Nothing else, so 12, 17. Any other teens in the teens? So I go 20s now, 23. Anything lower than 23? Nope. So after 23 in the 30s, any 30s, 34. And I keep going. I'm going to pause the video and organize them. Organize them yourself too if you want. Pause the video. I'm going to do the same. All right, so once you've got them organized from least to greatest, I always go back and do a check. I count how many numbers I have in my data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'll make sure there's 15 here so I didn't miss any or double count any. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so we're ready to go. They did the first couple for us. So they said that 1-2 means 12. So here's 12. We've already got that one. This 7 represents the 17. Now we're in the 20s. So we're going to write 23 as 23. 24 is already, the 2 is already there. Oh, sorry. Now we're going to 30s. So 30 is here. So we would do 34. No more 30s. So now 40s. We have two 45s. So it would be 45 and then 45. So that's two 45s. And then 52. 52. See how I'm trying to line these up too? Line up the second one. So 52. And then there's a 53. So 62 would be 62, 64. So 62 and 64. 76. 77, and then 87 and 88, 87, 88, so 87, 88, and 92. There you go. That is a stem and leaf plot using these 15 numbers. Don't forget about the math note here in case you want to take a look and try another one on your own. All right, thanks for watching.